Building AI apps without coding might seem daunting, but today I'm going to share 3 key insights that will demystify the process and set you up for success. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to approach building AI apps using no-code tools. If you want to learn more about building with AI, check out No Code MBA's Building Apps with AI course. Check the link in the description to access the full course and dive deeper into the world of AI app development. Many aspiring app builders feel overwhelmed when it comes to integrating AI into their projects. They often wonder where to start, what tools to use, and how to ensure their app delivers real value. Stay tuned as I break down the essential steps and best practices for creating powerful AI apps without writing a single line of code. Before jumping into app development, it's crucial to define the problem that you're trying to solve with AI. This might seem obvious, but it's a step that many app builders overlook. A well-defined problem statement will guide your AI app development process and ensure you're creating a valuable solution. Take the time to research your target audience, understand their pain points, and identify how AI can truly address these challenges. For example, if you're building an AI-powered personal finance app, your personal statement might be, many people struggle to manage their expenses and make informed financial decisions. Our AI app will provide personalized insights and recommendations to help users take control of their finances. When I first started building AI apps, I made the mistake of diving in without a clear problem statement. I was really excited about the technology. I wanted to create something cool, but I didn't take the time to consider whether it would solve an actual real problem. As a result, I wasted a lot of time and resources on features that didn't resonate with users. Remember, a strong problem statement is the foundation of a successful AI app. It's going to keep you focused, help you prioritize features, and ensure you're creating something that people actually need and want. So before you start building, take the time to define your problem statement clearly, talk to real users that you would potentially be selling your app to, and making sure that you're solving a real problem. With so many no-code AI platforms available, it's essential to select the ones that best fit your needs. Each platform and AI API has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's crucial to evaluate your options carefully. When you're choosing a no-code platform, consider factors such as ease of use, scalability, and integration capabilities. You want a platform that's user-friendly, even if you don't have a technical background. It should also be able to grow with your app as it gains traction and requires more advanced features. Finally, make sure the platform can integrate with other tools and services you might need, such as databases, payment gateways, and AI APIs. In my own AI app development journey, I've had the opportunity to work with several no-code platforms. I personally found that Bubble's versatility and extensive plugin library make it my go-to choice for more ambitious projects, and it also has a really powerful API connector that allows me to connect to any AI API that I want. There are other no-code tools like Flutterflow and WeWeb that offer the similar functionality that Bubble has of being able to connect to AI APIs. I just find Bubble a little bit easier to use and get started with because its database is integrated into the platform. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, so take the time to explore your options, read reviews, and even try out a few platforms before making your decision. Building AI apps is an iterative process. No matter how well you plan and design your app, there will always be room for improvement. That's why it's crucial to regularly seek user feedback and use it to refine your app's AI features and user experience. Once you've launched your app, engage with your users and actively solicit their opinions. You can do this with in-app surveys, social media, or email campaigns to gather feedback. I personally really like doing email campaigns as a personal email from the founder of the company to get feedback from early users. Here's the key takeaway. Embrace a continuous improvement mindset. Your app is going to evolve as you learn from your users and incorporate their insights. Building AI apps with no-code tools is a really exciting opportunity to create new solutions without the need for extensive coding knowledge. By focusing on a clear problem statement, selecting the right no-code platform, and iterating based on user feedback, you'll be well on your way to creating powerful AI apps that make a real impact. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to the No Code MBA channel for more insights on building apps, websites, and automations with no-code tools and AI. And don't forget to check out our comprehensive Building Apps with AI course inside the No Code MBA member area. This course dives deep into the topics covered in this video and provides hands-on exercises to help you apply these concepts to build your own AI app projects. Thanks again for watching, and I'm excited to see the AI apps that you're going to build using these insights. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.